Well, here I am at Lee's Airpark, one last time with the Quicksilver. As you can see, it's sitting here all winterized, waiting for spring to be flown. Well, I sold it yesterday to a guy in Terre Haute, Indiana, and he and his cousins on their way here with a truck, so we can take it apart and send it to its new home. I'll be coming back here in a few months with a new aircraft. I won't reveal what that is as of yet, but I will introduce it when I get it. So one last look at the Quicksilver before it heads out. Sure am going to miss this rascal. Good morning. It's Saturday morning, about almost 10 o'clock, January the 30th, 2021. 2021. I'll get it right here in a minute. Senile will start to kick in. I'm here at Lee's Airpark. I've sold my Quicksilver. I've got another airplane in the works, and I'll be introducing it in the next few months. But I'd like to introduce you to two fine gentlemen from upstate Indiana. On my immediate left, this is Bob.
Howdy.
Yeah, and this is Jerry over to the side here. Jerry is the new owner of my red and black Quicksilver. And I'd say from the grin on his face that he's going to have just as much as enjoyment as I had with this thing, and I'll be looking forward to his videos. These two are a hoot. I may just haul mine up to Indiana and fly a little bit with them, and then we'll continue on with the joy. So,
there you go.
So I'm going to put this thing on time lapse, and we're going to take this thing apart, load it up in the U-Haul, and then it'll be en route to its new home. I'll see you in about 3 months in my new plane. Yep. Well, she's loaded up. I guess she's on her way to Indiana. I'd like to thank my new friend Bob, my new friend Jerry here. I won't say Jerry because I don't know why I've been doing that. And I wish you fellows the best, and Lord be with you and everything. And I hope you enjoyed as much as I did. Everything. Thank you for everything.
I'm sure we will, Barry. Thank you.
Thank you very much. You too.
We need to keep in touch.
Yeah. We will. And you, start on them videos and I'll start, passing them around.
Okay, well, get on,
Okay.
buddy. We
All
will.
right, guy. Thank you.
Thank you.